How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another Davinci Resolve tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to remove white noise from the background of a video. This is a really simple and really easy issue to fix. And if you just want your video to sound a bit more high quality, obviously removing white noise does a very good job of doing that. So I'm going to play you the clip right now in question. This is just a Fall Guys clip I have. This obviously works for any type of video. It doesn't have to be gaming. It can be literally anything. But I'm going to play the clip and you can, listen to the white noise.
What did you just say?
Now, obviously you can hear in the background there's a very obvious white noise and, a little bit of music. But, yeah, we're just worried about removing the background white noise in this clip. So what you're going to want to do is, once you have the entire video edited, this is the last step. So you want to edit your entire video. Then once it's done, you're going to go to export. Then at the top where it has all of these settings, YouTube, Vimeo, Twitter, blah, 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 scroll all the way to the side, click audio only. And then you're going to want to see where it says format. Click on wave. And then you're going to add to render queue. Blah, 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 doesn't matter. Render all. I already did this, so I'm not going to do it again. But once you have that, once you have your video completely rendered and on your PC, you're going to want to go into Audacity. If you don't have Audacity, it's free. You can install it. It's extremely simple and, completely problem-free. What you're going to want to do is click play and find a section of the video that is nothing but the white noise. If you don't have a section in the video that's nothing but white noise, you can just go back in and add a little section at the end that's just a little snippet of white noise, just for the sake of getting this. But let's see, that section right here is just white noise. So once you have this, you're going to want to have it selected, have your little white noise sample selected, go to effect, go all the way down, about halfway, there's noise reduction, click on it, and once this pops up, you click get noise profile. What this does is it just takes your little snippet and, gets a profile of it. Then you're going to want to do Control A, so you have everything selected. Control A. Go to Effect, Noise Reduction again, and then you're going to want to have the settings set up for your best, the best for you. For me, I like to have 11 decibels, 11 sensitivity, and 5 frequency smoothing. Generally, it doesn't make a huge difference. What it has by default should be just fine. It doesn't have to be my exact settings. You can even click preview to hear what it sounds like before you click OK, and then tune it as you go. So let's click preview.
What did you just say?
And as you can hear, obviously the white noise still does exist. So you can, up the sensitivity to, let's say, 18. So obviously it is still semi-audible, but it is significantly better. This clip I had exaggerated white noise to begin with. You can even go in to do a second layer of white noise removal. You can hardly even hear it now, just to remove what little white noise is left. Obviously, you don't want to do too many layers. I think 2 is the maximum you should do, because if you do any more, you're kind of messing with the actual audio foreground, like the voice. And obviously you don't want to, mess with that. You want to have it, you want to have your actual audio that you want to hear. You want to have that be clear, obviously. Then when you're done, go to File, Export as WAV. You can do MP3 if you want. It doesn't really make a difference. Name it whatever you want. Then click OK. And once it's done, you go back into Davinci and you can add this audio straight into your little media bin. And then what you're going to want to do is mute your original video, because you don't want that audio. And then simply just add in your new audio beneath it. But that is how you remove white noise. If this video helped you at all, make sure you drop a like or a sub if you would like to. And yeah. Thanks for watching, and peace out.